Kirby Film Society clarifies award controversies, says awards to Atlalet justified. People of Umsarang protest against the implementation of panchayati Raj. Hello and welcome to Kirby Long Life. I'm Jilly Hansepi, bringing you the latest news for today. And now the news in details. The Kirby Film Society had on Sunday held a press conference at Dongmukak. During the briefing, the KFS has stated that the Rangsana Sarpo awards given to the film Atlalet were totally justified and audiences have no reason to point fingers at the decisions of the jury. The press conference was called at Dongmukak Forest IB and was attended by KFS President Dhaniram Tiso and Secretary Dilip Bey to clear the criticisms surrounding the body after the declaration of the Rangsana Sarpo Filmfare Awards for 2021. Clearing the criticisms through the press briefing, the KFS has stated that Atlalet had fulfilled all norms needed to be a part of the competition for the awards. He said that the movie had obtained a certificate from the preview committee and the censor board. Explaining that about the entire issue, the director said that team of Atlalet had not violated the rules of the KFS and instead they had maintained and followed all the rules of filmmaking and production. He also pointed out that any film that had obtained the certificate from the censor board are qualified for nomination to the awards, irrespective of whether it had come before the public or not. KFS President and Director National Award-winning film Dhaniram Tiso, who was also present at the press meet, said that even his films Voso Bipo came in theaters after it had already won national awards. As he had obtained the certificate from the censor board, he was eligible to participate in the competition.
Nong bangke purely quality upor isia cinema jong saya quality mesen ba laso cinema mesen pulote lasi nong long pojo ni henu pulote lake long lelo laso lake kacibai lasi penenga bangke cuneng laso corona pandemic pena joini penangan cinema ke somalong lelo aninkan lang ke engkoi ini cinema do peneng ke cinema troxiwen lasi laso mong si isia cinema best film invite do sida inut bang ini amunut ke laka kam schedule do laso lama ke lalo ye release le ako kopi posi la award den sida la ke release le alam ave la ke quality alam cinema jong simbesan lo te pinang athenili cinema pini penikan thongke ba fra so bipo ko nalitum kadau betar julong la ke national international level am kadon hala so cinema ta nili release le aku si competition long video nili competition long award long that apisi nili la hai cinema ta release lasi la ke release le kam ave lasi kipu duna bang ta la bang ke chok chot lo pusi nili pudamgi release le alam pen ke award pilong le ko bang ke la ke
KFS Secretary and acclaimed actor Dilip Bey took the example of Haimu, another film that won Rangsana Sarpo Awards before it was released in cinemas. He also reiterated the statements of his president and urged the public to stop misjudging the Atlalet team.
2012 aningkan pensi Rangsana Sarpo Film Award ko ba ke Cultural Affairs Department men sicheng lo nang DP pon lo film tumhan ke panong pen la si bang bom penengan ba ke ingdeng kep lo ladak Cultural Affairs Department dum isiaron ke pathik do la India na cinema long le censor board ko sondak thaksi da council pen da isi preview committee ko steng de isi preview committee lang det matike kaprek radlong da paklang long le la pente film bang release long le la so ke parai do la pente award long ta ponpi kita la so ke parai da do sampai ke damtang penangan ningkan sampai la soron man ke kroi tum ta do production tum ajak tum ke kroi grid adu la son si bang bom ben peneng bang ke peneng indeng kep la so jitu Rangsana Sarpo award ki biji phana bang ke isia ki sung do ko ke damtang la so lockdown a join pen masi cinema ta ave det son si heklong lo la pen last time la lockdown jitu kang pupo ko hosi si hinia cinema bang ke lang lo lasi Rangsana Sarpo award bangke gap dukogi nang nak lasut heklong si Nilitum Film Society Hinpen Cultural Affairs Department Hanchuning Rilo je film bangke pinangan hinigi thombet a film na do sami tang sina sar ko ward bangke pining di la su pining ida mateng ke alang le tum kroilo la pente jasemet ke film do mante lo la su film bange ni lihin pen ke kiri tarlip film society hin pen ri tarlip lo film bangke trok long trok angbong trok asinimata preview committee lang le pin la aprang ke damtang puja hut penan cinema ke paklang thai lebom tho cinema bangke la song bong pen paklang klepin bangke edlet bangke paklang khela amasi non last time edlet a cinema bang rang sina sarpu award ki pidunji la swaphan preview committee certificate ke hang husi kadok awya cinema aphanta preview committee certificate hang pidun rak perlo la pen de preview committee bhanda chuning rilo penenge lockdown a join si arona ting ben wang bede lo la se hala po cinema phata me ajara bidi pen dana lu preview committee tum lang pider nang ji la pen so certificate bang optima ke chok che do ko se pakeng po la si iponder nang ji la certificate long elo pulutang de award bang dana bi tinai la so film society pen chuning ri ateng pen si on ang bi pom la si certificate ke long bang ke 12 and 13 bang ke la ni bang preview committee tum lang lo 13 January bang ke preview committee certificate la stroke alamar chance tame long.
It may be mentioned that controversy erupted after the Rajiv Crow directed movie Atlalet walked away with a total of 13 awards. Public was infuriated and wanted to know how, without coming to the theatres, the movie could qualify for the awards. The public took to social media platforms to express their discontent. Samsung Inti report from Dongmukak for Karbiang Live. In a news coming in from Rongmongwei, one Jackson Ronghang was excommunicated by his own village and his house was sealed following constant sufferings the innocent villagers had been facing at the hands of police and security forces in search of him for his numerous antisocial activities.
According to the people of Bibia Crow village, falling under the Sucheng Dhenta constituency and Rongmongwei police station, they had been forced to take a strong decision against their own resident, Jackson Ronghang, son of Rongdo Ronghang, following repeated mental and physical harassments they had to face at the hands of local police and security agencies during search operations to arrest him following his criminal activities. The villagers told media that they had taken to seal off the house and officially excommunicate him from their village to bring an end to the long sufferings of the innocent villagers due to a single person. Further, the villagers stated that decision was taken to give clear information to the police and administration that he would no longer be associated with their village and the villagers should not be taken in for questioning or be in any way harassed by them on anything related to Jackson Ronghang anymore.
Isi aot pen kacoklem kacodam alam the putak lo la sini tum rat tum penang anak ke sunga ke boy dudun kok aja ini si alang lipan misen di apan un an kini tum tan mum bor ilo setame alang litum nilitum alam kredem la si nilitum pini rat ongdung arat pen kating wai la pen ani pulin pen ke jok nang hi alam the putak si nilitum alang le pan jing wai pono la sirat tidong sar pen ni tum ke separai pon bangke alang le pan ajat abji pen ta pawangi ke pakroi pan tek de lopot a hem arile hang no pinang la son lo la si wa pisa me a pi bangke me khang aso me khang ara me khang ko te pu ti jin su pen a jok si pini alang le hem ari ke phang no ni si ni le tum alang le ke du a hem ang hapana bang ke ni le tum gujar saksi Batam kapre Batam pel sini tum gujar sak si alang itum lalong tom ang happy bangi tum ikir picek le.
Lapsing Terang's report from Rongmongwei, Karbiang Long Live.
Residents of Umserang area in West Karbiang district has raised their voices on the implementation of panchayati Raj. Let us know from our correspondent as to how and why had this issue had emerged in a 6th scheduled governed area.
The tale began when government officials began collecting rupees 40 from each house in the name of providing house numbering plates. The government agents reached to Omserang village under Chintang constituency and began sticking the house numbers on Saturday. However, the locals got infuriated with this and they protested, after which the government agents had to flee from the area. Locals said that the numbering of houses is moving a step closer to the implementation of panchayati Raj, which is not at all acceptable in a six-schedule area, superseding local traditional bodies. They also said that accepting the house numbering and Gaon Panchayat would mean a treat to the six-schedule provisions.
Ha pusar ani pen stame lahai aron lang no nang lut le pin pen neli tumarong pinya ni bang ke aron lang no nang lut chok ason sinang mandet lo athema BJP sarkar tum ki role ki chok lone ki chok chelone neli tum six schedule area long mate ladang inglong atok anu kitu ara aswa tum athengno setame neli tum phan Gaon Panchayat po aron nang ki lut chok mate ronga kidu amekar atuma phan nang piluhak dam adi ma bang la pehlo neli tum phan bang ke permanent house membering plate tu pensionel tu phana panong pi lasuna panong pi bang neli tum aphana bangke imithang jutang jubat nim rokom mate pendeng support lai hui pen nang apavir ponji po bang sinel tum phan sarkar ben akimang dokok ta hello mini la sineli nali tu phana peklang pon iji la hello numbering plate bangke la pen adun thu neli tum malong la swalo logot mate nang edun thu lo do iklang neli tum malong bangke la Gaon Panchayat VDC permanent house membering plate by SBNW Private Limited, Gulf of Assam authorized. Laso ki pu damalap the bangke, la bangke isia company mate business line assistance sinel tumarong bangke, wang joy aso nang mandet lo la sia slip neli nang tuhan mani receive nang peklang paniji, mani receive bang la hello. Da ke tong mani receive bangke 35 rupees only, bons taminel tuhan bangke 40 rupees mate recap ador be sinel tuhan nang endpoint dat.
Pini ladak nilitum sarang hang corong nili mekar pen dang lok ang to nilitum ladak nili rong anili madorong sathe la sela Gaon Panchayat pubang nilitum arong nang kilu abang ke chok chep sinitum nang samar pi asai nai klem atum tanitum dak pen phungjoy lo la pen nilitum mekar nil niri rong arat atuma chikroi kre la sinitum Gaon Panchayat abang dak nang bilong lep sinilhin rong sathe pen rat phan khan dia dong pachin dia.
Mohanteron from Pelangpi, Karbi Anglong Live.
The Bharatiya Janata Party, Nomati MAC, SC Morcha had on Sunday held a bicycle rally. It was attended by local MAC and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker Ritesh Singh. The rally was organized by the Nomati constituency SC Morcha and was supported by the presidents and secretaries of all polling station committees under the constituency. BJP party supporters from across the constituency participated in the rally. To boost the excitement and spirit of the party members, local MAC and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker Ritesh Singh graced the occasion as the chief guest. He had also accompanied the rally on his own cycle for several kilometers. Party members told the rally was organized to revitalize the energy of the party before the upcoming MLA elections.
Party Rajigor Adek SC Morcha Raji cycle rally অকল আমাৰ ইয়াত কাৰ্বি আংলং বুলিতো নহয় গোটেই অসমত মণ্ডলে আজি এই সাইকেল ৰেলীটো পাতা হৈছে যে আমি সাইকেল ৰেলী ইয়াত প্ৰতি বিভিন্ন পিএছৰ পৰা আজি আহিছে আৰু আহিবলগীয়া দিনত তো এতিয়া আমি ৱাৰ্ম আপ আমি তো ৰেডি হ'ব কাৰণে সাজু হৈছে আৰু আজি ইয়াত গম পাই গৈছে যে দলৰ কাৰ্যকৰ্তা সকলৰ মানে আহিবলগীয়া দিনত এবাৰ নিৰ্বাচন আজি জেনেকাৰ এই শক্তিশালী দি সাইকেল চলাই দি আহিছে আৰু এবাৰ নিৰ্বাচন আজি আমি দেখি পাই গৈছে যে আমাৰ নমাটি মণ্ডলৰ পৰা আগৰ জেনেকাৰ কাম কৰিছে এবাৰ ডাবল কাম কৰিব আৰু এবাৰ আমি একদম বিপুল ভোটত আমাৰ নমাটি মণ্ডলৰ পৰা জয় হ'ব বুলি মই আশা কৰোঁ আৰু এসি মৰ্চাৰ আমাৰ সকলো তথা আমাৰ মণ্ডলৰ কাৰ্যকৰ্তা তথা পিএছৰ প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট সেক্ৰেটাৰী বুথ লেভেলৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি আজি সকলো সবক মাতা নাই কিন্তু যিমান আহিছে সকলোৰ আমি আহিবলগীয়া দিনত এই কাৰ্যসূচীবিলাকক ৰাজ্যিক মৰমে আদেকে আমি পালন কৰি যাম আৰু আমাৰ ভাৰতীয় জনতা পাৰ্টি যেনেকাৰ ৰাজ্যিকৰ পৰা যেনেকৈ আদেশ দিছে আমি এইবিলাক কাম যদি কৰি যায় নিশ্চয় ৰাইজে আমাৰ লগত থাকিব আৰু ৰাইজে আমাৰ লগত আছে
Bikram Teran report from Tenarong for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.